Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies. We already completed in the 6th class 3 lessons. Okay, the solar system lesson, etc. Now this is the 4th lesson. What is that 4th lesson? Landforms, Andhra Pradesh. Landforms, Andhra Pradesh. So, children, landforms. For example, what are the main landforms are relief features of our India. So we are living in India. In India, our state is Andhra Pradesh. Now we are living in Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, what is our district? Krishna district. In Krishna district, what is our residing place? Vijayawada. This is city, one of the city in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So now children, here what are the main relief or what are the main landforms of India? Mountains. Himalayan mountains are there. Plateaus. 3 plateaus are there in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau. These are the main plateaus. Next, plains are there. Indo-Gangetic plains. Western plains, eastern plains. Next one, Ghats. Western Ghats are there, eastern Ghats are there. Next to one desert we have, that is Thar desert. It is located in Rajasthan. Next one we have islands in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And also Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. So these are the main parts or main relief features of India. For example, if I ask you what are your body parts, you may say, sir, head, hands, trunk, legs. These are my body parts. Likewise, here India main parts or India main reliefs are mountains, plains, plateaus, desert, islands, etc. Likewise, here there is a conversation between grandson and grandfather. So this grandson asking to his grandfather about national anthem. So do you know, children, national anthem? Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidata. So this is our national anthem. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Next, do you know, children, our state song? What is our state song? Ma Telugu Talliki Malle Pudanda Ma Kanna Talliki Mangalaratulu. So this is our state song. Ma Telugu Talliki Malle Pudanda. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. So how these songs are describing about our India? For example, in India, how many states are there? What are the people customs? What are their food habits? What are this way of dressing? Okay, what are the main features? So these all are describing through this song. Through this song in national anthem in our state song. Ma Telugu Talliki Mallipu Danda. Next one, it tells about India. Jana Gana Mana. AP, Ma Telugu Talliki Mallipu Danda. Landforms, lifestyle, food, dressing, etc. Next, landforms. I said already, India landforms are relief features. So, mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, islands, desert. Okay. So here in AP also, almost these all are there. Okay. For example, in India, 3 plateaus are there, I said already. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. So these are the main plateaus of our India. Okay. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur and Deccan Plateau. And look at, children, Deccan Plateau is in Andhra Pradesh. So our state, Andhra Pradesh means our state. Okay. Plateau. So plateau, what is the meaning of plateau here? Plateau is a elevated flat land from sea level. From sea level, it is elevated flat land. That is called plateau. Plateau. Okay. But what is the meaning of mountain? Mountain is very or high elevated area from the sea level. It is very heavy. That means, for example, Himalayas, the highest peaks are there. Everest Peak, K2 Peak, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Nanda Parbat. So these are highest peaks. That means from sea level, the Everest Peak meters are 8,844 meters from the sea level. Okay, they are mountains. Plateaus means here plateaus also elevated one, but it is flat one. That is called plateaus. So these plateaus are looking very beautiful. Okay, that's why people are going and watching these plateaus in our country. For example, look at children, Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is in Andhra Pradesh. Especially our Andhra Pradesh regions, we know before bifurcation, Telangana also one of the region of our Andhra Pradesh. Okay, three regions: Telangana region, Rayalaseema region, Costa region. So the Deccan Plateau location is in Rayalaseema region. Rayalaseema region. Where is Rayalaseema in Andhra Pradesh? So this is the area of Rayalaseema. This is the area of Rayalaseema. Locates in Deccan Plateau in Andhra Pradesh. Are you understood, children? Next student, listen. I said three plateaus in India. So this is peninsular India. In this peninsular means what? A land covered three sides of water, but one side land. It is called peninsular. So our India peninsular is this one. So in this peninsular we can see three plateaus. What are the three plateaus? Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals. For example, Jharkhand. Okay. Next one, even Deccan Plateau also. Okay, Chota Nagpur Plateau, manganese available. Okay. Next one, in the world, what is the highest plateau? Tibet. It is the highest plateau. It is the north side of our country, above Himalayas. Tibet. How much meters height is from the sea level? 4,000 to 600 meters from the sea level. It is the height. Okay. Next one, in India, Himalayas mountains are there. From the sea level, it is the elevated, high elevated place. They are called mountains. Okay. Now children wants to look at, I drawn here one picture. These are the mountains. So mountains are very high from the sea level. So this is sea level. Okay. From the sea level, mountains are very high. These are mountains. For example, in India, Himalayas. Next one, plateaus. It is also elevated one, but a flat one. If you compare with mountains, it is low than mountains. What is that? Plateaus. But in plateaus, minerals are available. Valuable minerals are available. Next, hill. Hill is elevated one from the sea level. Okay. It is very high from the plateau. Next, this is also plateau. Look at this is also plateau. Next, plain. Plain is the flat area from the sea level. Flat area. This is plain. Next one, this is ocean, water body, ocean. Okay. So now children, here the landforms are here. I wrote to you. Once look at mountains, plateaus, hills, plains. What are that? Mountains, plateaus, plains, and hills. So these are the main landforms. So I already drawn here. What are the main plateaus here? Next one, look at plains. So this is the plains area. This is all plains area. Okay. This is all plains area. Plateaus. This is all plateau area. Okay. Next, hills and mountains. Look this one, dark one. These are hills and mountains in Andhra Pradesh and in peninsular India. Okay, children. Now here look at, this is our Andhra Pradesh. So what are the borders of Andhra Pradesh? So here we can find north side Telangana, back that means west side Karnataka, south Tamil Nadu, TN means Tamil Nadu, east Bay of Bengal. Next here you can find another state, that is Chhattisgarh, here Odisha. So these are the main borders of our Andhra Pradesh. Our Andhra Pradesh 13 districts also there. 13 districts also there. I will discuss the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.